Hey guys, what is up? Mr. Spockton here, and of course we're back with some more Skullgirls. But I'm gonna have to say sorry to you guys for a bit because I'm a bit sick. I don't know if you can hear it, but my voice kind of fucked up right now. It's a bit rusty, I would say. I don't know how to say it. But yeah, basically the gameplay will go the same. Like, I'm gonna be fighting in the prize fighters, though I won't be talking in between matches, so I hope you guys can deal with that. But yeah, that's really all I had to say. Of course, we're gonna be trying out some new characters in bronze, and yeah, let's see how it goes. I'll see you guys at the end.
Showtime!
Submerge! That won't do! Do that! I don't need it! Try. I'm okay. So no place to run. No place to Enough! Can't catch me. You wish. Did you catch my good side? Is Hunger gonna have to jump a jerk?
Showtime!
That's all. Whoa! Hit me down! Don't bully it! Invitation club? You're mine! Deadly shot! I've had No! Just surrender.
Quit lollygagging!
That's just wrong! Don't bully it!
Can I get a round of applause for our contestants?
Now I'm the big sister!
Showtime!
Hold together! Kid!
Must.
Round here! I'm okay!
Kill!
You wish, bandage! Open wide, Bogey! Enough! Don't even try! Last processor! Full heal.
No place to
Grounded. Down to current. Ionite. Advanced.
And now it's revenge.
Robots require maintenance, not physicals.
Showtime!
Requesting backup.
I'm okay.
Nothing! You!
Drop by. Turn around.
Overwhelming victory!
How about that?
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, for the prize fighters, yeah, it actually ended today, so I actually did get the 2 rewards, the 2 revolutionary packs, but I didn't get anything good from it, so I'm not gonna show you guys it because I think I only got Annie and Eliza. I think just these 2. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or the day after. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.